to show you exactly what you can do to start generating immediate listings for yourself. So what I want you to do is go to Zillow.com. Everybody's been there before. You probably look at that as one of your competitors. It's a big box that comes up, and all I want you to do is write in your city, comma, space, state. At the top, you're going to see a button up here that says listing type. When you click on that, you're only going to choose for sale by owner. We've got a 3-question script that we utilize with for sale by owners that will get you an appointment tonight. Number 1, is it still available? Can I include it on my secret list? Can I see the home? 3 questions, $0. You have an appointment with a seller. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it incredibly helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe link so you can get notice of new videos as we get them loaded. Additionally, you'll want to check out the description of this video for some additional links that'll help you with growing your business.